Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Realme GT 60. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Google account. Now click on data and privacy, then you have to scroll down and click on delete your Google account. Here you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll all the way down and check these two checkboxes and click delete account. Now your account should be removed, so now let's open, for example, Google Play Store and click sign in. Now you have to enter your email address, then click next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so now let's click next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password again. And then click I agree. Now you have to click on more and accept. And now, as you can see, my account is recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.